All right, I know in class we've talked quite a bit about the three levels of questions we had very hard. The multi-step division with decimals where you need our calculators. We had the medium questions, which are the ones that we do most of the time, and we had the easy ones. I would put this one under the very easy ones because it's really a one-step problem. You know what to do. A car takes 4 hours to travel 120 miles. How fast is the car traveling? Why is that like that? I do not like that. That is what it is. If I draw my DST triangle, whoops, leaning tower of DST there, sorry about that. DST triangle, I know 4 hours is a time, 120 miles is going to be our distance. I know that if I cover up what I don't know, and again, that helps a lot of us, cover up what we don't know, I have 120 over 4. Now, if I have 120 over 4, well, I don't see 120 fourths over here anywhere. So I have to actually write 120 divided by 4. Now again, there is some things that you can make mistakes with this one, but you have a calculator. You should not make this mistake, and I know that 4 goes into 120 30 times, meaning that my answer is A, and I can move that 30 down here to speed because that is my speed and the answer that I'm looking for.